Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at this countertop ice maker from GoveeLife. This is the model H7172. Now this is a more compact version. This one does utilize and benefit from the smartphone controls. You can also control this guy with Google Home. This has a 2-liter capacity, 3 different styles of ice. Let's go ahead and unbox this guy and take a look at everything that comes in the box. All right, guys, so here is our unit. Stainless steel housing, really beautiful. You have your top lid here. Inside you will find your ice scoop that comes with it. You have a removable ice bin, really nice design. Now this is top load when it comes to filling it with water. So you're just gonna pour your water directly in right here, which we will do. So you can pour your water in from the top. This unit does have a self-cleaning feature built into it as well. The unit does come with a starter manual to help you get started. Let's go ahead and power this guy up and let me show you guys some of the features. Now this comes with a grounded plug. That's your 3-prong plug that you guys see right here. We're gonna just plug this guy in. All of your controls are gonna be up here at the top. Let me show you guys that up close. So you have your start, cancel, you have your select button. The select is going to allow you to go through and choose the size of ice that you want. That can be large, medium, or small. You have your cleaning options here, and this is going to be for cleaning, adding water, refilling, Wi-Fi. You can connect this guy to your app on your iPhone, Android device, and be able to control it. So right now it's going through its first cycle of being able to start making some ice. But before it gets to that, let's go ahead and put this little basket back in. So the basket just drops in like so. That's exactly where your ice is going to fall. Now I can see the water starting to feed in back here. Now this does have an LED light, which is really cute. Let's go ahead and run this, make some ice, and I'll come back once the first batch of ice is made. All right, guys, as you can see, this guy is very efficient. Let's take a look at the ice that it just made. So here is some of the ice that we just made. We didn't make a lot yet, but it will continue to make ice, and it will also notify you when the ice bin is full, so that way you can take the ice out and allow it to keep cycling through and making more ice throughout the day, especially if you have a party or an event or just for your everyday use. This is really going to come in handy. I am a fan of a lot of GoveeLife products, and I can tell you guys, having a portable ice maker for your home, your office, maybe your RV, your man cave, your she shed, this guy is a win. And it comes with pretty much everything that you need to get started. What more could you ask for? All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.